This is MST RMX 2.5 S Plus, the 1 to 10 real wheel drive drift car kit. It is not including any electronics, it's just a chassis kit. You need to buy electronics separately. It is highly customizable. Specifications are like a wheelbase 257 millimeter. Yeah, you can find this kind of information in the website. I'm just trying to show what does the box look like. It is really well made plastic, I can say. There is no like a cheap plastic smell or funny smell when you open the box. I when I'm building the kit, I screw up with the screws many times, but the plastic is really, it is not giving up, and it's still holding the screws tightly. I really like the quality of the plastic. Normally, I was considering to upgrade it directly to the carbon fiber, but I think I can survive a little bit more with the plastic because of the quality. It is really well organized. When you open the box, you see all the parts are numbered and organized very well. And when you detach these plastic parts from the molding reference, it is not creating any extra part that you need to sandpaper or debarring, like using a debarring tool. It is really not required. I like that. Otherwise, it might be a time-consuming process. Yeah, overall, the chassis quality I liked, and the instruction manual is very well designed, cleverly, very well done, MSD, with that. It is also including some commercial paper that you can also find the same in the website. It is just showing the recommended upgradable parts. I didn't check the prices or weight of that parts because it's really crucial if it is too heavy. Yeah, for sure it is. There is no doubt that they're looking great with this red color because you are receiving the red color brake calipers, mm, motor holder, and the shock top screws. Yeah, but other than that, like I'm considering to upgrade it with the carbon fiber chassis. So let's see. Maybe it will be nice if I can find some aftermarkets about this bumper if it is too expensive or heavy. But I didn't check again. Yeah, these are the parts that I was talking about. There is some stickers. They're including it. Of course, it is always nice to have some stickers. I would prefer to have some, yeah, graphical and drift drift related stickers instead of just branding. But of course, I can also understand from there. So instruction manual is pretty detailed. It is high quality, high resolution, and nothing is fluffy. Everything is very clear. And I really like that you can measure the real parts with the reference. You can see like a different kind of mountings, low gravity, central, high gravity, high central gravity, and the RRX mode. For the RRX mode, you need to buy extra parts. It is not included this kit. I don't even know what is RRX yet. I have an idea, but I didn't really honestly go and make some reading. Yeah, there is extra stick in the kit. I don't have any idea what is this about or what is used for, but it's always good to have some free stick, right? If you compare not to have it. Yeah, I recorded a full build video. It was a bit painful, but very rewarding and very satisfied. I highly recommend you to also watch that one if you're interested or considering to buy this kit. Yeah, um, that is all for today. I will share more and more experience in my journey, and let's see. what is waiting for us. Bye for now.